So hello guys, in today's video I will talk about the self-reliant call which is given by President Narendra Modi. So what is self-reliant? In Hindi, which means Atmanirbhar, or in a layman language, it means that any country or any person standing on their own behalf of, on their own skill, on interest, on their ability, capability, and so on. So on things, and this call is help to India, and many BJP worker is supporting this call. And till now, many MSMEs, which means many small and medium companies, are supporting this and have a this good opportunity for those companies who want to start their production line in India. And this call is purely positive and not against any China country, any another country like America, France, UK. It is not against any country. A totally pure positive approach which is taken by President Narendra Modi, and this approach will help to those people who are living in a poverty in a rural area, who those who do not get a proper meal, proper a 3 time a day meal in farmer, and reduce many things like they get skills, and they through this self-reliant call many infrastructure will improve, and many workers will get good wages, and through this the standard of living and many things will improve through self-reliant call. So many of people are thinking that this is against the China, that whatever is happening on the border between the China and India, it is not all about that. If like I want to ask you, if whatever you think is, just comment on the comment box that China wants their product purchased by their people also. America government is also wants that American people purchase their own product. So there is nothing wrong. So Indian government is also started the self-reliant call. So I want to take an example that how the self-reliant call is helping to India. In a month of April, when the pandemic has started, the Indian government is imported lots of, not lots of, but a few PP kits which will fulfill to at least for emergency use, that we Indian government imported the PP kits to India from the China by the special jets, special flights, and when in a globe there is a shortage of PPE kits. So Indian government import the PPE kits from China, but in the month of July, the lots of MSME companies, lots of small and medium companies has started their own production line in the PPE kits. So today the PPE kits in that quantity that we are Indian are fulfilling their needs also, but also exporting their PPE kits to those countries who have a shortage of these PPE kits. So this call is helping to India to depend, not to depend to any another country. When the production has started in India, we are fulfilling, we have a sufficient quantity of PPE kits. So this is an example of self-reliant.